World Muslim Congress. You have the floor.
Welcomes the updates and thanks the High Commissioner's concern on the worrying situation of human rights in Jammu and Kashmir. But unfortunately, Indian representative called the High Commissioner's reference to Kashmir as unwanted and inaccurate. Mr. President, this speaks volumes of India's disregard for the highest office of the human rights. Mr. President, Indian government has employed different forms of strategies and suppressed the peaceful resistance of people of Indian-occupied Kashmir. The policy of repression ranges from excessive force, draconian laws, extrajudicial executions, rape, torture, abduction, and enforced disappearances. The indigenous population of Kashmir are deprived of all rights, including the right to life. The draconian laws proclaimed by Delhi-imposed Lieutenant Governor are making people landless, jobless, and homeless in their homeland. Under the garb of encroachment drive, houses are demolished and lands are seized. Demography is changed, and deliberation of assembly segments is done to disempower the Muslim majority. To showcase normalcy in occupied territory, India is planning to hold a G20 meeting in Indian-occupied Kashmir to whitewash its crimes against humanity. We urge this Council to establish a Commission of Inquiry as recommended by OICHR Report 2018 on Kashmir and urge this office to release the updated third report on the situation of human rights in Jammu and Kashmir. I thank you.
Thank you.